Hello, I'm Danushes from India. I'm doing my clinical fellowship program at Speech and Swallowing Therapy Services in Department of Head and Neck Oncology at Tata Memorial Centre, Mumbai. I have completed Bachelor of Sciences in Audiology and Speech Language Pathology in 2015 at All India Institute of Speech and Hearing located in southern part of India, and Master degree in Audiology and Speech Language Pathology at Ali Awarjung National Institute for Hearing Handicap, Secunderabad. I have a work experience of 2 years at general hospitals working with neurological and oncological populations with communication and swallowing difficulty. As a course curriculum have limited focus in dysphagia and also less opportunity to learn instrumental and swallowing assessment, I was having a tough time to rehabilitate successfully without instrumental swallowing evaluation. Knowing this difficulty to understand and learn swallowing, I got an opportunity to take part in Langmore-Fees course and laryngectomy course in April 2019 at Tata Memorial Centre, Mumbai, which I was led by Professor Susan Langmore, Dr. Margaret Coffey and Dr. Peter Clark, and then the same attended another international dysphagia course conducted by Foundation of Head and Neck Oncology India annual meeting by Professor Joanne Patterson in October 2019. These courses were highly beneficial and shaped my goal to enter into speech and swallowing rehabilitation in head and neck cancer. My fellowship program started from March 2020. This is the 6th month of my fellowship and undergoing rigorous training and learning the speech and swallowing disorder in the cancers of head and neck. Now I am independently able to carry out clinical swallow examination and with supervision Fees and videofluoroscopic instrumental swallow evaluation. We are having online classes from international faculties from the UK and USA on the different topics in swallowing, and also I am involved in research activities such as collecting retrospective data from electronic medical records. For us, it's very difficult to afford to attend the international seminars and workshops that are being conducted outside India. These kind of scholarships helps a student like me from India to attend the seminars and get the opportunity to meet the eminent people, and also we get to know the research and current trends of practice in dysphagia. Attending this seminar also helps me tremendously to step my foot in research. Thank you.